What's up, futures traders? Today's video is how do you connect Tradovate with Apex Trader Funding? All right, check it out right here. Tradovate and Apex Trader Funding. Now, Apex offers funding for futures traders. Okay, if you look right here under membership type, normally it's $167 a month. However, if you enter the code CAT, C-A-T, if you enter that code under coupon code right here, you will get 80 to 90% off. That's right, 80 to 90% off. Okay, so just check and enter the code to see what the current promotions are. At the time of this recording, it's 90% off. But so you click all these buttons. You click all the buttons except for the one right here that says, I agree not to use the coupon. So you just click these boxes. You click next, right? And then it will direct you over to, it'll take you to the next page so that you can enter all of your personal information. All right. Now, once you do that, Apex is going to send you an email. That email is going to send you to a page that looks a little bit like this, right? It'll say Tradovate. You simply want to log in. You want to enter that username that they emailed you and your password, right? And real quick, before I show you the other side of Tradovate, this is how you can verify the current promotion at Apex. Once you get to the page, it'll let you know right here. So you see it says 90% off evals. So we're getting 50% off or $50,000 accounts for only like 15 bucks. Okay, so now once you are logged in, this is the other side. It says access simulation. Now, if you didn't know, once you get the funded accounts, they are sim funded accounts. So it's a simulation. And so you go to an actual live account once you have proven yourself to be really, really good. Okay, now I'm going to just tell you, I had to make the switch to Tradovate because NinjaTrader just started acting up on me out of nowhere. It just started acting up. And I later found out it was related to OneDrive. So if you look right here on my computer, I don't know if you can see down here on this corner, but this little cloud here is OneDrive. It comes on all of the new Microsoft computers. It's really cool if you use a lot of Word documents so that, you can always access it from email and such. But it, for some reason, does updates and it messed up NinjaTrader. So what I like about Tradovate so far is that you can access it anywhere and it's web-based, right? So let's just get into some of the settings. So if you look right here, in this where it says application settings, let's click on that. All right, so let's just click on add-ons. Now, when you click on add-ons, as you can see, it says TradingView activated. So some people like to trade from TradingView directly because most of us are looking at the charts on TradingView. I know I do. You can connect order flow, that's free, tick stream. You get free indicators. There's some stuff you can buy and some stuff you don't. But check this one out, Group Trade. So Group Trade allows traders who trade multiple accounts to define unlimited groups, add accounts to those groups, and assign quantities to the group. So this is your copy trader in Tradovate. I'm pretty positive it is because I had already purchased the Apex copy trader, so I haven't used it in here. But this is where if you don't want to purchase, because I paid a couple $100s too. It was over a year ago, but this is a free copy trader. So let me know too. Let me know in the chat, y'all, if you have used that or if it is used for something else. Because like I said, I just started using Tradovate recently because NinjaTrader just stopped working on me out of nowhere. So far though, I love it. Everything is working really, really good. So let's just check out preferences. If you go over here to preferences, you can have auto, light, or dark. I like mine to be dark. If you want to auto roll contracts, which I'm going to click on because, right now is January, but in December, when everybody started trading the March contracts, I was not trading the correct contracts because I did not have this enabled. So I'm going to go ahead and click auto roll because I had to manually go and do it. So these are some of your settings. You can enable hotkeys. This right here is that when you are placing a order, if you wanted to double ask you, are you sure you want to place that order? And if you know, like I know, when we're trading, we do not have time for that. So just uncheck that box, and that would be how, while I'm in here, I might as well show you a couple more settings. So let's go to, let's see. This part here was kind of confusing to me when I first got logged in because as you can see, it's not always showing. So right here, so I like to look at the 3-minute time frame, but if you want to change it, you can go to 1 minute or you can go to the 5-minute. Let's look at the hourly chart real quick. Or even if you want to go to ticks, if you want to look at ticks, you can do that. Ooh, I don't want to look at ticks. So I look at the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes. So there we go. That's pretty much how you would connect your Apex Trader funding. But again, you are going to get an email. So once you're logged into Apex, you always, like right here, if you click on dashboard right here, this is where your account information is going to be right in the corner. As soon as you click dashboard, I don't want to click it right now because I don't want to show all my personal details, of course, but that is what you would do. And that's it. Now, if you did want to use NinjaTrader, you would order a Rhythmic account. That's how that works. Let's just look at all the options that Apex has really quickly. So they have a 150K account. As you can see right here, a 250K account is $500. All of this stuff is 80 to 90% almost all the time. And then once you pass and get your funded, once you pass the evaluation and you're ready to move forward, all right, you would pay this $85 fee. I thought it was $100 and something, but it's a one-time fee that you pay once you pass your evaluation. Now, let me just tell you this too. Okay, here are the Tradovate plans down here. But let me just tell you this too. Now, if you want to skip the evaluation, because I know a lot of people like to do that, what you want to do is you want to use my code once again, and you want to, I don't want to, let me click start a challenge. I don't want to show personal details here either. But what you want to do is use the same code CAT, and you want to click my link below for My Funded Futures. Now, what you want to do is you choose the milestone program. If you choose the milestone program, you don't have to take any evaluations. You go straight to funded, right? If you already know how to trade and you just want to get right to it and get to a payout as fast as possible, then you simply just choose one of these milestone programs. The 50K account is a $445 one-time fee. The 100K account is $555 one time, only one time, no monthly fee. And the 150 is $665 one time. Now, this is instant funding. This is what you would call instant funding. So just click on my link below and you would connect that to Tradovate the exact same way. All right, I'm going to also post a blog article about this, but hey, click on the like and subscribe button. If it's your first time here, I'm going to come with more videos on trading futures. All right, take care.